All right, team, so next up on our stretches, we have our cat-cow. So with our cat-cow, guys, very simply, we want to make sure we're in that tabletop position. So when we're setting up, we're making sure those shoulders are over shoulders are over our wrist. We're not sinking too far back and we're not too far forward. From there, with our cat-cow, what we want to do is we want to drop that belly button and sternum down to the floor. So we're getting big extension through our back. You can help to look up. And then from there, we're going to switch and we want to push as high as we can coming into flexion. Now, what I want you to think about is when you're coming into extension here as well, we're trying to drop those shoulders down. So I don't want to let those shoulders come into elevation. I'm trying to keep them depressed and locked down. And then pushing and getting that flexion through my back. So again, our key points here, we are setting our shoulders down, we're depressing the shoulder, we're then getting into as much extension as possible through the back. We then go into flexion and we push that thoracic as high as possible.